This is a product demo for Yugen Earthside, a sustainable travel booking platform. This is a live website that you can access at yugenearthside.com. Before we dive into the booking platform, I'm going to give an overview of our top nav. In addition to our destinations, we have an Earthsider eco shop with zero-waste travel products, sustainability resources for travelers that includes our blog, an About Us section that includes testimonials, media and press features, and more, and an easy way to contact us. So let's get back to the trips. When travelers land on our page, they can search for trips in two main ways. The first is by looking at featured categories, whether it's a privately guided trip, a self-guided trip, or a small group fixed departure trip. However, we know that in reality, most travelers already have a destination in mind when they come to a travel website. So the expected behavior is that they'll come to the top nav, to the Destinations tab, and browse by region and country. We're going to use Portugal as an example of what a search results page looks like. On this Portugal search results page, we can see all of the trips we have in this country. You'll notice that a lot of our trips are nature-focused. We also have a lot of cultural-focused trips. To do a deep dive into what the details of a trip listing looks like, we're going to use the Sustainable Surf, Yoga, and Wine Retreat trip. On a detailed trip listing, you'll find pictures for inspiration, the trip name, location, all of the core information in this gray box and just to the side, and then tabs to organize the rest of the information on the page. This includes an overview, itinerary, sustainability information, location, pricing, and other info. The overview is where we give a description of the trip, including a summary of the highlights that you can expect on the experience. We also give a ton of other information related to the trip. Just below that, we have this section about features. We give a special shout out to locally owned companies, which the vast majority of our partners are, as well as partners of ours that are women-owned companies. Below that, we have the itinerary where you can see what you'll do on a day-to-day basis. Then we get into the sustainability section, which is critical. This is where we describe how our partner, as well as the trip itself, are specifically taking responsible and sustainable actions. This includes everything from our local partners' view on sustainability to specific environmental, accommodation, economic, and social initiatives. Below the sustainability section, you'll see location information, pricing information, and then we hope people will take a very clear call to action, which is either to book now or contact us if they're not quite ready to book. We also have this Contact Us box at the top of the trip listing to make it very easy for customers to reach out to us if they're interested in a trip. When they're ready to book, they'll be directed to a page that looks like this, where they can select their package, their dates, and then submit a secure credit card or bank transfer payment. Our travelers are loving us so far, and you can read the reviews on our testimonials page, and you can find more reviews on Google. We are very proud of the growth and traction Yugen Earthside has had so far, and we can't wait to continue making sustainable travel mainstream.